Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, earnings season has begun. It is off to a start, and that's really, really exciting because earnings is one of the things that I love to trade. Now, I want to give a little bit of an early report on earnings and what to expect with trading them. So, analysts are forecasting that earnings will likely fall for the third quarter in a row to some degree. So, you would think that, hey, maybe you could position yourself to take a short position on the market or something if that were the case. But then you see, ironically, the market's rallied over that period. So what gives there? Well, a lot of people don't realize this, but most stocks, when they announce earnings, they actually beat analyst expectations typically, statistically on average. Not all of them, of course, but most of them do. And so then you would think, oh, well, then, maybe we should be getting long these stocks. But then sometimes they don't beat them by enough because there's already an expectation of them beating it enough baked in. And so sometimes even if they beat analyst expectations, the stock ends up going down. So the crazy question becomes, how the heck do you trade these darn things? Well, I'm going to answer that question for you. We have a special class tomorrow night, Tuesday, and I want you to attend, where I'm going to share how my personal proprietary earnings trading system works, because I want you to have the opportunity to trade that as well. So make your way on over to markettaker.com/REG, which is going to pop up right after this. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.